Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a video to show you guys how I make my spinach chicken wraps. And I have all my supplies here. I have the spinach wraps right here. They're called garden spinach herb wraps from Mission. They're delicious, you guys. And then also I have the chicken that I put inside of my spinach chicken wraps, these right here. I have the spinach that I like to put inside as well, the spinach. And then the kale, of course, I have to always pump up on greens. And then also like to season it with black pepper and parsley. And then I always like to have a little bit of salsa. I love this one from Great Value at Walmart, the thick and chunky salsa in the hot flavor. Okay guys, so let's get making these spinach chicken wraps. Okay, first I'm gonna take one of these spinach wraps and I'm gonna put it in the oven on the rack and let it warm up, get really warmed up. And let that warm up for a few minutes. It don't take long to warm up a tortilla in the oven, but that's just my old school way that I like to warm up my tortillas. Okay guys, so it should be done now. This is perfect. It's nice and hot and soft. So we got that out the oven. Turn that off. What I want to show you guys is how I put it together. Okay, so first I like to put the kale in here. So I have some already washed and dried already. I like to break it and lay it in here. Lay that in here. Okay. Then I'm gonna get some spinach and lay that in here as well. And then I'm gonna get the meat and lay that. Shake that in there. I like it because this meat is already cubed up and cut for you, so you just add it. You can add it to salads, everything. Okay. And then after the meat, I want to add the black pepper. I love pepper, you guys. Love pepper. And some parsley flakes. And then lastly, I'm gonna add the thick and chunky salsa. And then we're gonna roll it up, guys. So you just take it. Ooh, I got a lot in here. Fold it on each side, inside. Roll it, cup it, and roll it. And there we go. There we go, guys. And there is my spinach wrap, chicken spinach wrap burrito, you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be delicious. I'll take my first bite with you guys.
so good.
Okay guys, so you can see all the green and the chicken in there. It is so delicious, you guys. Okay guys, so this wraps up my spinach and grilled chicken with kale and spinach wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment below and let me know if you try it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. God bless, and I will see you in another video. Peace.